Hey, good afternoon. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Tesla here. Just finished going over this in our premium session, along with various other things, but I thought I'd share this with you. I think this is really, important. I like the way Tesla is trading right now. You don't want to be buying something like this on the way up. That's just not the way you want to trade. Even though a stock like Tesla, a lot of times it'll bail you out, but sometimes it won't. But I do like the way this is trading here because you can see this in relation to the 200-day moving average right here. It's rebounded off of this many, many times over the last couple months. 50-day moving average here, the red line. Drifting lower. The stock finally rallied up through the 50-day moving average, and you can or cannot, doesn't matter to me, pay attention to the 100-day moving average. I keep that in for various reasons, but it's really not relevant to our analysis. It's really the 50 and the 200. So the stock's trading decisively above that, and today we got a nice move on volume. But what I really like about this is the way it's coiling, the way it is trading sideways here for a while, and it's just hard for me to envision the next move being lower because there has been so much buying on this, so much buying interest on this, and even up here. So any pullback I really feel like is going to be met with more buyers, and so in my view the next move higher is probably going to be here. So I started a small position today. Would have been nicer to start it last Thursday, but I didn't, and so I don't have a way back machine. I can't go back and do it. But I took a small position here, and if the stock starts breaking out above 700, I'm going to increase that position size. Okay, so anyway, I think the stock is going to work pretty well. It can be volatile. It can be beguiling. I would give it about at least 10 or 11% of room here. You could see the stock can continue to trade. But as I look at this, I see a real healthy period of consolidation here. And so anyway, just thought I'd pass that on to you. If you want a free trial of Stock Market Mentor, you might want to check it out now. I swore I wasn't going to mention this again, but I'm gonna. We're changing the free trial. It's not a free trial. I think it's $7.77, but we're changing that from 30 days down to 10. So you might want to check that out. Okay, anyway, that's all I got for you. I'll see you next time.